For this exercise, the best tools to use are the clone source panel and the rubber stamp tool. To view the clone source panel, go to the window menu, then make sure it is checked. For this tutorial, I'm going to move it to a more convenient location. Next, I will select the rubber stamp tool in Photoshop. It is located over here in the toolbar. I want to work non-destructively with the rubber stamp tool, so I'm going to create a new layer. Then, in the options bar, I'm setting the rubber stamp tool to current layer and below. Since a butterfly's wings are basically symmetrical, we will take advantage of in the clone source panel. I'm going to click the flip horizontally icon in the panel. Next, I'll adjust the angle so it matches the wing on the right side. I will then hold my Option key down, Alt key on a PC, and set my point on the left wing to paint from. I start painting at the same point on the right wing. That part of the wing is now healed. Let's move on to the next part. I'm going to find a similar area of the wing to heal with. This takes some mirror image type thinking. Again, I'll hold my Option or Alt key and click a point to paint from. It looks like I need to adjust the angle a touch. Now I will try to match the preview I'm seeing inside the brush with the wing and start painting. I've duplicated some of the butterfly's body. I'll fix that in a moment. To do that, I'll Option or Alt click a new location and try painting again. That looks much better. Now, let's heal the last section of the torn wing. That looks good to me. The last thing I need to consider is the shadow being cast on the leaf. I can use Photoshop's burn tool to work on that. I'll adjust the brush size and soften the brush edge just a bit. Then I'll start painting on the leaf to darken it up where the shadow should be. Let's zoom out now and see how it all looks. What a difference we've made.